Hello, this is Casting Basics 101 with your host, George Garcia. The first part of the process is called spruing. Here, wax carvings get mounted on a wax rod to form a tree. This will become the basis for our mold. Our mold is called flask and will be fitted with paper around the edges to prevent overflow in the next process. We are mixing a material called investment, which is part plaster, part silica with water. It must have the consistency of sour cream when done. Bubbles must be extracted from the investment by means of a vacuum machine. This is done twice. The first time, the mixing bowl containing the material gets treated. A slight bump to the machine helps remove the bubbles. Once poured into the flasks, the investment goes back into the vacuum machine a second time. We wait at least an hour before the flasks get placed inside the kiln. The crucible, which is where we melt our metal, must be heated thoroughly. I use a mixture of oxygen and propane gas. Metal is being placed into the crucible. I'm stirring the metal with a carbon rod. Once the flask is in the machine, the metal in the crucible must be molten into a liquid state. I add boric acid to remove impurities. Here comes the fun part. I always get the heebie-jeebies when I remove my flask. I don't know what's in it. I might get a surprise. I hope it's a good one. Isn't that nice? I got my reward. They're all intact. That's good. Cutting off the sprues takes a lot of skill. Tumbling is the final step before polishing. Thanks for watching us. This is your host, George Garcia, for leonandsiren.etsy.com. Hope you learned something. Goodbye.